Okay, it's recording. Where's my ones?
They're there.
So we won't fill the tank up because it's already full of water. Eh?
What other something would you need there?
My gloves.
Nothing else. Trial, anything else?
Where did I put them?
There? Well,
Okay,
these
so
ones are
I'm
on the machine.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Where's yours then?
They one of these ones. There's
Oh,
three
okay.
pairs there.
Thanks. Okay, so the machine's got water.
Not good.
They're probably in the front on my side. They're probably in the front on my side. Okay, should we jet?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just put this back. Okay, can start it up. I'll tell you when to put it on. So we've got a stormwater drain here that's blocked. As you can see, the water's here. There's the drain. I've already opened it. This was flipped down like that. So he flipped it open. It should go fairly quick, I think. It looks like it's just full of sand and a bunch of all sorts. We'll just start with low power. Oh, it's already going. No, not yet. The jet back to try and pull out as much as possible. Give it a bit more power. Still lockdown here in London, so things are quite quiet, but rainy season is around, so need to make sure drains are clear. I'm going to try going a bit further up. Oh, there you go. This line runs down into a car park which is underneath us, so I can't put the hose down too far. It's just a cast iron pipe, but I don't want to cause any damage to the pipe, possibly pop some IE caps open and damage cars and stuff which is underneath. So we'll just go lightly, let it have a flush all the sand and leaves through which was in there, and then we should be good. Okay, that's it. Huh? We're gonna jet these gullies over here though. I'm coming out. Just wanna show how cool it is out here. Take a walk down the side of this building. This is basically on the river, on the Thames River, which is quite cool. You can have a look. It's quite cool out here. This is obviously just London, really. There's houseboats and stuff down there. People live on the boats. Yep, that's London. Okay, cheers guys.